In this video guide, you will learn how to migrate your Energi coins from Generation 2 to Generation 3. To download the latest version, navigate to docs.energi.software. In the Download section, select My Energi Wallet Desktop. Then choose the proper operating system and download My Energi Wallet. In My Energi Wallet, click on Create New Wallet in the menu, then Generate a Wallet, and generate a key store file. Enter a strong password and click on Create New Wallet. Save your key store file and make sure you have a backup copy stored in a safe place. Once you have saved your key store file, click Continue. Another option is to save a paper wallet in case you lose the key store file. The paper wallet will allow you to retrieve access to your Energi. Once saved, click Wallet Info and then go to Account. Now select Key Store File and use a previously saved one. Then enter your password and click Unlock. Finally, copy your newly generated Gen 3 address. We will be using it in the next step. In the Generation 2 wallet version, first check if you have the latest version by clicking Help and then About Energi Core. The version should be 2.4.1. If it isn't, please download it from our Wiki Downloads page. Next, click on Tools, then Gen 3 Migration. Enter your new Gen 3 wallet account. Confirm by following the instructions. When the migration is complete, you will see the pop-up balloon with a confirmation message. To confirm your coins have been acknowledged by the Gen 3 blockchain, go to Explorer and copy your Gen 3 address into the search bar. Here you will see your coins appear on the blockchain. You can also refresh the balance in your My Energi wallet to confirm the migration.